weekend. I posted yesterday about Bitcoin going into the $90,000 range, and unfortunately, that's what's happened at crypto1.bg. We can see here that Bitcoin fell below $100,000, and we're going to talk about why that happened if you haven't already heard. But we actually lost. I looked at Coinbase, and for 24 hours, we lost $10,000. So, as positive as the market has been and is, we were expecting a $10,000 green candle for a 24-hour period, and we got one for a down candle. So, pretty depressing. But when you zoom out, and if you've been doing this for a while, if you just got in, it's probably pretty scary. But the bad news for you, if you're new, is get used to 20 to 40% changes in cryptocurrency in a 24-hour period. It can happen. And when during one downturn, we can see 90% decreases. So if you can't handle that, then cryptocurrency is probably not for you. The good news is when we look at Bitcoin over time and some of the better projects of cryptocurrencies, they're going up over time, like Ethereum, and hopefully Solana follows that too. At Coinbase.com, to take a look at our charts here, we have got a $3.5 trillion market. Quite a hit, a lot of profit taking. We're going to talk about why that happened. Everything pretty much down. But the leaders are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, Tron, Chainlink, Avalanche. We got Toncoin, Stellar, Hydra, Sui, Shiba Inu, Wealth, Leo Token, Polkadot, and Litecoin way down at 24. Our time chain calendar, you can now get Bitcoin's on sale again. You can get over 1,000 stats. 1,009 stats for $1, so that's pretty good. This I don't think has been updated. The 5-day is still holding at 114,000. I don't think they've updated this for our prediction on Bitcoin. Could it go up that much in 5 days? It might. I mean, we could be in for a little bit of a downturn. I'm not too positive it's going to go right back up, but the market has been very hard to track day to day. But overall, our Bitcoin boom and altcoin season are still looking like they are on schedule to happen this year. So altcoin season index is at 45%, according to blockchaincenter.net. And that means there could be some buying opportunities. There could be some buying opportunities for us. Maybe some of the top coins, maybe Solana, maybe some of these other ones that have dipped 10%-ish might be a time to look at putting a little bit in there. Not investing advice. Now into the news. Bitcoin businessinsider.com here, market.businessinsider.com says that Bitcoin's deep seek is what triggered the sell-off, and there is a potential buy the dip opportunity. Now, what is this deep seek? Well, what it is it's a challenge to NVIDIA. And this is more a stock market issue than a cryptocurrency issue. But as we get ETFs and as institutional money goes into cryptocurrency, it tends to be more tied to the stock market. So it has reacted early to this DeepSeek, which was much cheaper and much more efficient out of China for AI. And Chat GPT, according to what I've been reading and hearing, is comparable, and this may possibly even be better. This DeepSeek AI and artificial intelligence out of China. So we saw Bitcoin drop down to about $98,000, and now it has come up over the 100,000. So it's good that it regained that 100,000. By the dip, according to Kendrick, global head of digital research at the Standard Chartered Bank, has said. Kendrick 1 week ago warned of potential 10 to 20% correction, and in expectation of just kind of the hype. All the, they say buy the news, or was it buy the rumor, sell the news? So, the price pump that we had right up into Trump's inauguration and first few days, and then he's actually making true on a lot of these things, and then we see this dip. So that would be very, very much buy the rumor and then sell on the actual news. So that's exactly what we've seen here. This correction, uh, I hope it's short. Some analysts have said that we could be in for up to 90 days of this up, down, sideways stuff. I hope that's not true. I'm hoping that, you know, February, maybe March and April are going to be stellar months, and that we're not going to have to wait a full 90 days. So we'll see. We'll have to see. Not investing advice. But January was, the Federal Reserve didn't do the decrease they'd hoped for. 10-year note is 4.5, signaling the downward move is done. So I don't know. Trump could have influence with the stock market having a tumble. We could see more pressure to lower the interest rate, which could help our market rally up a bit. So we'll just have to see. The tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 was lower by 3%, led by a 15% decline in Nvidia, where those AI chips are made. So that's basically what we're looking at there. Bitcoin falls below 100K here. Crypto Ones tells us here, and that's exactly what we've seen. There's not really a big super article on that. Cointelegraph, latest news, again tells us about the 100K drop, tells us that 150 is speculative. So people are kind of like seeing this dip and downgrading their 180 to 250,000. They're saying now, 120 to 150,000. Mine's been 180,000. I'm going to stick with that. I think that is at least where we'll end up, if not higher, for the all-time high in this market. Um, and I base that on past charts and cycles as a moderate gain. So, not investing advice, but you do your research and you come up with who you want. MicroStrategies proposes a 2.5 million share offering to fund more Bitcoin purchases. So he's not slowing down. We have all kinds of things that are going on in the U.S. government that could cause a lot of money to come into the market. So I would say this is a buying opportunity, in my opinion, but you do you, I'll do me. I'm still buying Bitcoin. I'm still accumulating it every single day. I have not made any major sells on my altcoin positions. So hopefully in the next week or two, I can do a whole special on the coins that I see as the best opportunity with the least amount of risk. And we can do a special episode on that. I wanted to do it like a month ago, but yeah, other people are kind of starting to talk about some of the things I was going to talk about. So I wished I would have done it sooner so I could brag more about it. But it is what it is. We will get it out there as soon as we can. Have a great day. Goodbye.